Now come to question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. Now A part. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 500 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? See the solution of A part. Profit on one bag of white cement equal to rupees 8 and loss on one bag of grey cement equal to rupees 5. Therefore, profit on selling 3000 bags of white cement equal to 3000 into 8 equal to rupees 24,000. Loss on selling 5,000 bags of grey cement equal to five thousand into 5, that is rupees 25,000, since profit is less than loss. Therefore, his total loss on selling the grey cement bags equal to loss minus profit equal to rupees 25,000 minus rupees 24,000 equal to rupees 1,000. Thus, he has loss he has a loss of rupees 1,000 on selling the grey cement bags. Now B part. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? If the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. The say solution of B part. Let the number of bags of white cement equal to X. According to question, loss equal to profit. Therefore, 5 into 6,400 equal to 8 into X. From here you have to find out value of X. Solve this, you will get 5 into 6,400 upon 8 equal to X. Cancel this, 8 1 0, 8 8 is 64 and 2 zeros 800 or 800 into 5, it is 4,000 equal to X. Therefore, X is equal to 4,000. Thus, he must sell 4,000 white cement bags to have neither profit nor loss. Now come to question number 9. Replace the blanks with an integer to make it true. statement. See the solution. A part, it is minus 3 into dash equal to 27. So what will come here? It will be minus 9. Then B part, it is 5 into dash equal to minus 35. What will come in the dash? 5 into minus 7. Then come to C part. Dash into minus 8 equal to minus 56. What will come in the dash? 7. 7 8 is 56 and minus sign, it is minus 56. And D part, it is dash into minus 12 equal to 132. What will come here? It will be minus 11. Minus 11 into minus 12, minus plus 11 into 12, it is 132. This is your answer. That's all for today. Thank you.